Hello and welcome to the first lesson of dyeing. Today we are going to learn the first step of the fabric dyeing process, that is making the fabric ready for dyeing. For that, we need to wash the fabric to remove impurities. This process is called scouring. Why is it important? Scouring helps the colors to penetrate the fabric properly as it increases its absorbency power. Let's start. First of all, fill a utensil with water. The water should be enough for the fabric to be submerged fully in it. Put the water on the gas stove for heating. For 1 meter of fabric, add 2 tablespoons of detergent and 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt. Stir the mixture properly. Now put the fabric in water and stir again. Put the gas on low flame and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. The amount of the time we keep a fabric in the water depends on the fabric weight and its absorbency quality. Stir once or twice in between. After 10 minutes, turn off the gas and pull out the fabric from hot water. Put the fabric in a beaker or any container with the help of a big spoon. We can also use tongs, tweezers, or a rod depending on the fabric weight or quantity. Now wash the fabric in running water or dip it in cold water and wash it thoroughly so that the detergent and other impurities are removed. There are several ways to do fabric scouring, but since this will be better for you to do at home, we will follow this method. Rinse the fabric and put it for drying. If you want to dye the fabric immediately after scouring, there is no need to dry it. Now the fabric is ready for dyeing in your favorite colors.